Montiel. What's your name?
Hi, Elizabeth. What do you do in your free time?
I read books. What about you?
I listen music and check email.
What kind of music do you like?
I like rap. How often do you read books?
Where's it twice a month? Do you watch TV a lot?
No, I don't. I hate TV. Where did you go out?
I go to the movies. I have one little brother. His name is Alberto. What about you?
I need two little brothers. What's your email address?
It's mariamontiel@hotmail.com. How often do you check your email?
Always.
Oh, that's great. I'm gonna add you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.